welcome to Pergola Nurseries. I'm Jenny. An awful day today in Pergola Nurseries. Rain, sleet, threatening snow. No snow here as yet, but we're inside looking at Paeonia Roses. And Paeonia Roses, of course, are wonderful. When you plant them, they're in your garden for at least the next 300 years and come in a whole range of colours. Now, your ordinary lactiflora varieties, like this one here, that's soft pink, a little bit darker, the hints of purple in the flower. And then you've got lilac, purple like that, lovely clear white, and pink there as well, and red. Now they're really old-fashioned varieties, good value, well worth planting. But if you want to go for something a little different that will last longer, go for varieties that are name varieties. That's a variety called Do Tell, lovely pink, larger flowers, pink with deeper pink in the centre, stunning and stronger stems. Lovely variety too. I told peonies are the ones crossed, tree peonies and perennial peonies crossed, and they've got stronger stems and enormous flowers. That's a variety called Scarlet Heaven, pure red flowers, yellow centre. And then this one's around a long time, it's Bowl of Beauty, and still a gorgeous peony, well worth growing. Creamy white with that lovely centre, perfect bowl. So Bowl of Beauty, Paeonia Rose. And then this one here, Scrumdiddlyumptious, and Scrumdiddlyumptious again, an I-told peony, enormous flowers and really strong stems, all well worth planting. Now for any of them, it's just a matter of digging decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super thrive planting fertiliser at the bottom, compost and soil on top, and the same bank in around. You have Paeonia Roses in your garden for at least the next 300 years. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.